What's up, Go Natural crew? I missed y'all so much. Nina Pop here, coming to you with another video. I know I promised that I would be back to normal come February, but that's probably not gonna happen because life is crazy and Houston decided to just shut the whole city down and try to kill us. So I'm just trying to get back to my normal life, and I was feeling a little like so I was like, let me come talk to my people, okay, my community, because I feel a little bit alone right now. And if you're feeling that way, definitely consider subscribing to the channel, because you are not alone if you are trying to start your non-toxic lifestyle journey. And you know, maybe your family like, oh, that's weird, it's chemicals everywhere, why would you try to go natural now? I can definitely relate to that to some extent. And so yeah, definitely consider joining the community and just not feeling as alone. So now that that is out the way, what I wanted to talk to you today about is if you have switched to a natural deodorant and you have noticed maybe your underarms are looking a little darker than normal, you're not by yourself. I had this happen to me recently, and I just wanted to share why that happened and what I am doing to save my armpits. I originally was using this deodorant, the Now one. Well, I've actually used a couple natural deodorants because I've been using them from over a year, but this is the one that I probably have used the longest. Yeah, I've pretty much been using this one for at least 7 or 8 months, and it works, but they only have like this scent, which is rose and lang lang, and then they have an unscented one, which who wants that? So I've been using this one. So I wanted to switch it up. Oh, and this is the Now Solutions brand. So I wanted to switch it up, and people were telling me, oh, you Schmitz, or however you say it, Schmitz is where it's at. And I saw that it had my favorite scent, which is bergamot. Y'all know I love bergamot. I got like 3 bottles over here right now, and it had lime in it, and it smells really good. It has like a really citrusy smell to it, and it's just amazing. So I started using this. I did not detox my underarms, which is mistake number 1 when you're gonna switch a deodorant. And if you wanna know how to detox your underarms, I did a video on that, and I will link it down in the description box. But it's basically using like tea tree oil and water, or you can use witch hazel, things like that. And I just switched. You know, I thought I had a handle on this natural lifestyle, but it is an everyday learning experience, and that is what I'm learning every day. So I switched to this one, and my underarms got really dark. They started to peel. I really felt like the deodorant was eating my skin, and it was very irritating. So that is when I decided to look at the ingredients. And then don't get me wrong, I'm not bashing this. A lot of people love this. But one thing that these two do not have in common is this one, the one that was darkening my underarms, has baking soda. Baking soda is usually the cause of your natural deodorant darkening your armpits. So if that is something that you are struggling with and you're trying to figure out why the heck your underarms looking real dark all of a sudden, check to see if you have a baking soda ingredient in there, because you probably just can't handle it. And I realized that I can't. Plus, I think with the citrus that is in this one, as much as I love it because it smells absolutely amazing, I just don't think my skin can handle it. I believe it's just really too strong, and it's just eating me up. So some things that you can do to help: you can detox your underarms, you can switch deodorants and stop using deodorants with baking soda. You can also, if it's like extremely bad, I guess I didn't have to do any of this, but what you can also do is stop shaving for a minute and like use a lemon peel, which is still citrusy. So I mean, I'm just saying, lemon is a natural bleacher, so it can lighten your armpits if you just like rub the peel under your arms. So you can also do that. I personally use like aloe vera gel. That works as a really good healer. I did that to just soothe my underarms because, like I said, they were almost like burning, and so that wasn't a good feeling. I decided to just go ahead and switch back to Rose and Lang Lang because clearly I just can't use natural deodorants with baking soda. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, give it a thumbs up. If it didn't, give it a thumbs down. So with that being said, I will catch you all in the next video. I'm hoping I can drop another video next week, get back on my scheduling. But like I said, life is pretty crazy right now. And I'm also working on a lot of things, a lot of collabs in the background. So one of my most exciting collabs was this planner. Not sure if you saw that video. You see my name, it's on there. I'm so excited. And it has like diffuser recipes and things like that from the Go Natural channel in here. You can get it on Amazon. If you type in disorganized planner, it should come up 2021. So I collabed with my friend Callie on this, and yeah, we got it published on Amazon. It's crazy, right? So that is one of my biggest success stories over this past couple weeks. I am also collabing with a entrepreneur group called Whim. You should definitely check them out if you are an entrepreneur or an aspiring entrepreneur. And we are hosting a huge virtual party on Friday. So I have been working on that and just trying to promote those things and things like that. And yeah, I'm working on a Facebook group for y'all so y'all could really have a community of like-minded people. So I'll leave that link down below as well, because I just want to make sure that I have content for that. But if you are new and you don't have a clue who I am or what I'm talking about, but you're looking for, like I said, a community of people to just have your back on this journey, definitely get plugged in with us in the group on this channel. I'm just really trying to build this community and just give y'all all I got. So when I experience something, I try to let you all know about it and really just try to help somebody else and save their armpits. So with that being said, I will catch you all in the next video. I'm just so happy to be filming and trying to get back into the habit of filming, because once you stop, it's like, whoa, why am I talking to a camera? This is weird. But I'm talking to you. I am talking to you right there. You are a natural newbie and I'm talking to you. And I have to remind myself of that. So anyways, if you have any questions about dark armpits or natural deodorant, drop them in the comments down below. And with that being said, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.